News Now.
Good evening, I'm Dan Walz.
And I'm Laura Lee. Thanks for joining us. New tonight, Governor Tim Walz and Minnesota legislative leaders say they've struck a bipartisan deal to end the legislative session this weekend.
The agreement comes after weeks of negotiations between the House, Senate, and Governor and paves a clear path forward as the legislature looks to finish their work before a midnight deadline Sunday. And sources tell Northern News Now Capitol reporter Quinn Gorham that leadership plans to address the agreement in more detail tomorrow morning. But here's generally what we know is in the deal so far. The package of bills funds a rescue package for the Hennepin County Medical Center, relieves license tab fees and property taxes, sets aside new money for fraud prevention, and includes a more than $1 billion bonding bill for state infrastructure projects.
Now, about the deal tonight, Governor Walz says in a statement it strengthens Minnesota's long-term stability, supports the broader healthcare ecosystem, and reflects the discipline of living within our means while preparing for the challenges ahead. When Walz and legislative leaders hold a news conference tomorrow morning to detail the deal, watch it live on our website and Northern News Now's mobile app.